Hi all, it is Nicola from ADIsoft. In this video we'll draw a small apartment which I measured yesterday, and it's located exactly there. And another 10 centimeters at least, and connect these again. Just like that. This is the entrance to the other apartment. What else do we have? Let's check. And then we have another column in the other corner. Just like this. And this side will be here, so I will, let's see, I will create a fill. Here, and this fill will be stretched like this. The other distance of the column is 34, so I will make it 34 minus, and we have 20 in this direction, 20 minus. And I will cut this, go to the options, element attributes, profile manager, create a new, and I will call it strange column. And paste this, center. Let's make it in the middle, this, and use the corner as a reference. We will use building material generic construction, and the outside lines will be, of course, cut lines. I will go with show cut line and click on the columns cut line. All edges, okay, and save. And now I will change this to my strange column. But before that I have to change the strange column so that it assigns to columns only. Use with columns only. Save. And now I will change it to this one. And there we go. Correct. And let's connect these two. We have a corridor here, and somewhere in the distance we have let's see what is the distance. 492. And this is the placement of this wall, and we just stretch it like this. And here we will draw the same line. And rename it later. And let's draw this wall here. It is exactly beneath the stair, and connect these two. This is obviously the boundary. We will connect these two, and because I'm not sure if this wall is here or somewhere else, it always is here on at some point, like this probably, and something like this, and then we have stretching. It's stretching down, so I will change it later. But first I will add this boundary line. And I will do it like this. And there are a lot of doors. I will just make two more. We have one here, one here, one here, and one here. And this will be of course without area, because it is stretching down. The area is not only in this side. And we'll connect the wall to this line. And draw it like this, and here we have another one, which of course will be above the stair. The stair will be pushed beneath. Actually no, I will push the zone beneath the stair and remove the hedge from the stair, because that's the problem. We'll go to the design and model view options. Document model view options. I will go to stair options. So down description, walking plan, correct, and we will check the grid fill. I will choose visible parts on. That will fix it. Right. We have a corridor here. This is corridor, and I will send it beneath the stair. So that is actually close to what we have. This is our apartment there. You see we have another line there, so I will add a transom, and here I will add a transom as well. And for the upper story we have huge terrace with nice windows. So I'm looking at this and I will draw it as it is. First we will add transom to this. Let's go to shape, upper transom, and transom division. Now I will change the height of the transom to be about 125. Great. Now let's change this as well to match the transom. Let's make it 135 actually, and match the two. Walls will be with face material as well. Face 3. These are darker, so I will use face 2. Face 1, and for this I will use face 1 as well. Something like this. Then we have openings here and one big window here. With it is not aligned, but it is going. Let's see. This is aligned to here. Great. And these windows are higher. Let's make them like this. We have the wall, make it 240. 45 centimeters and 195 to make it aligned with the door. The door, let's check it as well. 0. This one will be 0 as well. Interesting why it's 15. Right. And this window will be with transom as well, and with transom division. The transom is like 210, the transom will be 60 at least. Yes, this one will be extended up. This transom is in position, but the door itself is at least 9 centimeters from what I see. And we have another window which is, let's use this one and align it to the door. I'm doing this in 3D, you can do it in 2D as well. In 3D it is better. Yes, we use shape, upper transom, transom division. And we'll make sure that this connects like this. And I will use now different dimensions. This one will not be 320 but 280. The distance between the wall and the door and the window is not that big, judging by the photograph. Let's make it 40, and then we extend this window this side, and let's extend it 30 centimeters more. Or actually I will change it to 220 outright. And it will be asymmetric window with this size being smaller. I will type 90. Actually I will switch them. This side will be 140 or 150 even. That looks good. And now the railing. Let's see what we've got. I will create a railing from scratch. Let's use a segment. This one is panel, and let's see what panel we've got. Glass. Right, this looks good. Looks fine to me. Go here and make it like this. This is the railing, and obviously it has a cable. Its configuration is slightly different. This panel is like 30 centimeters down, 35, and it has another rail here, plus, and it is somewhere around here. Never press escape when editing. It is 40. We have a rail, and it is smaller rail, like 3 aluminium. I will use chrome for all of these. Chrome, and in the bottom we don't have any. Minus. This one will be 20 from the bottom and 20 from this rail. And we have, let's see, fixing. We have some fixings. yes, brackets, number fixing horizontally, vertically we'll have 2, 0, and this rail is very small, it's more like a cable, and this one is bigger, and that's the correct representation of the railing. Of course these brackets will be drawn slightly differently. First I will change this, let's make it 15, 15. The brackets will be 2 and the distance 5, 5, and the brackets themselves will be 2 stretching here and 5. That is closer to the real representation, and now I will change the materials. The fixing will be with generic construction or with chrome. It can be with chrome steel, and this is glass, and the inner post will be chromed as well. I will go to inner post, use chrome, and for post we will use chrome as well, and that will make the railing as it is. And you can check on the image that I'm very close to the real thing. This is the railing. We have, of course, the divisions will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 divisions. And here we have less, so I will just change the distance. The distance is too much. I will change the distance in the note. See. Segment. And I will choose 90 rather. Yes, 8 divisions. That's it. That's our project. So that is how to measure the whole apartment and draw it in 3D as well. And next I will create the drawings, but I will not show because I've done that many times in other videos. So thanks for watching. It's Nicola from ADIsoft signing off and wishing you inspiration in your practice. Make sure you post your questions below so that I can answer them and help you with your work as well, and suggestions for other videos. See you in the next video.